I'll guide you through how to change Apple ID password if you've forgotten it without needing to use your old password. If you're looking to proactively update your security after an audit, or you want to secure your account after a potential breach, and you need to set a new Apple account password, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The most secure and fastest way to update your password is by using a trusted device like your iPhone or iPad, which is already signed in to your Apple account. You just need to know your device passcode to verify it's you, and then you can input your new password twice. Tap Change to finalize the update. If you are on a Mac, open System Settings from the Apple menu, click your name, then select Sign In and Security, and then Change Password. You'll need to enter your Mac's login password to proceed. Alternatively, if you are logged in on any web browser on a PC, you can go to account.apple.com, navigate to Sign In and Security, and choose Password, then continue with the process. If you've forgotten your password and are completely locked out, the recovery process is a bit different. Go to iforgot.apple.com, which is Apple's official password recovery website. The website will try to redirect you to a trusted device first, as this is the quickest method. If you don't have a trusted Apple device signed in, here are your options. Try using the Apple Support app on a borrowed Apple device from a friend or an Apple store. Open the app, select Reset Password, and then tap Help Someone Else. The borrowed device will ask you to enter your Apple account email address or phone number. This tells the system exactly which account you're trying to recover. The Apple Support app will then guide you through the process, which usually involves receiving a text or call to your trusted phone number, even if that number is currently on an Android phone or another carrier. Once you successfully enter the verification code you receive, you'll be prompted to create a new password immediately, thereby regaining access to your account. Remember, any information you enter into the borrowed device's Apple Support app will not be stored on that device. This is generally the fastest way to verify your identity without your own device. Now that you've learned how to change your Apple ID password, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.